Since 1992, ARTSOK joint stock company has succeeded in designing gaseous fire suppression systems. The company's hallmarks are innovative solutions, in-house production and international quality control standards. Products under the ARTSOK trademark are effectively used in Russia as well as in 14 other countries. The systems may be used in many areas: industry and special purpose facilities, chemical plants, nuclear power plants, airports and spaceports, sea vessels, financial institutions, museums, archives, libraries and many more. The company is located in Moscow with good transport accessibility. The ARTSOK's industrial site holds 3 production facilities, an office building and warehouses. The Chief Designer Department develops new products and components. The Design Office performs hydraulic calculations and prepares documentation. A particular highlight of ARTSOK is a research laboratory equipped with high-end diagnostic and control equipment for fire, climatic, and functional testing. The Production Technology Department brings in new processes into production by using mechanization and automation. The production of components is performed at the machining site. By virtue of modern lathe machines and milling systems, ARTSOK achieves excellent quality and high performance. Hydraulic press capable of up to 600 tons force is installed at our forging site. Hot extrusion of brass casing for lock and release devices is followed by heat treatment in electric furnaces and surface treatment in an abrasive jet chamber. Lock and release devices are assembled and tested in the lock and release device handling site. The operations are performed manually. This guarantees the highest standard of quality and reliability that cannot be reached by using automated inline assembly. Lock and release devices manufactured by ARTSOK are designed for repeated use. The devices are equipped with electric, pneumatic, manual or combined starters. At the painting site, the products are coated with paint and varnish and later dried in special chambers. The fitting shop is equipped with guillotine shears, bending machines, drilling and milling machines for manufacturing of parts and steel structures. At the welding site, certified specialists perform manual arc and machine welding. All equipment and applicable technologies are certified as well. The Gas Fire Suppression Module (MGP) site is where the gas fire suppression modules are assembled and filled. The modules are reusable and suitable for all types of approved gas extinguishing agents. In Electronic and Automation Department, the following equipment are mass-produced: gas fire extinguishing modules for liquid carbon dioxide (MIJU), control panels extinguishing systems (AIST), control panel extinguishing systems (AIST), ASD pressure alarms, and radio-electronic products. The pick and pack site is for placement and shipment of finished products. Standard products and components are always in stock. All products are presented in our catalog. However, it is often necessary to apply non-standard solution. For example, 2 decades ago, for the first time in the world, ARTSOK designed the gas fire extinguishing modules for facilities located in earthquake zones. Many innovations have no foreign or domestic analogs. A crawler-based robotized complex with the ability to control a carbon dioxide feed stream was a unique project. ARTSOK has been manufacturing equipment for the protection of life, health and property for 27 years. The company keeps doing its job perfectly.